Hi, Namaste. Today we are discuss about the trigonometric identities. First identity is sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Second identity is secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Third, cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Identities problems is there. So we are using these three identities and do that sums. Now trigonometric identities. What the trigonometric identities is there? First one, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. That means sin square 30 degrees plus cos square 30 degrees is equal to 1. Sin square 60 plus cos square 60 is equal to 1. Sin square 90 plus cos square 90 is also 1. Like that, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. That is the first identity. So sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Cos square theta equal to value 1 minus sin square theta. And second identity, secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Secant square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Tan square theta equal to secant square theta minus 1. That is second identity. Third identity, cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. Cosecant square theta equal to 1 plus cot square theta. Cot square theta equal to cosecant square theta minus 1. Already we know that in first exercise, sin theta into cosecant theta equal to 1. Cos theta equal to cos theta into secant theta equal to value 1. Tan theta into cot theta is equal to value 1. First question, evaluate the following. 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosecant theta. Evaluate the following. So first one, 1 plus tan theta can be written sin theta by cos theta plus secant theta can be written 1 by cos theta into 1 plus cot theta can be written cos theta by sin theta minus cosecant theta can be written 1 by sin theta. So here, what is the LCM? Cos theta. Cos theta is LCM. Here, by 1 how many times? Cos theta times. So cos theta plus cos theta how many times in cos theta? 1 time. 1 into sin theta plus here cos theta how many times? 1 time. 1 once 1 into here what is the LCM in the second bracket? Sin theta. Here denominator is 1. 1 how many times in sin theta? Sin theta times. Sin theta into 1 sin theta plus sin theta how many times? 1 time. 1 into cos theta minus sin theta how many times? 1 time. 1 once 1. So observe that numerator here cos theta plus sin theta plus 1. Cos theta plus sin theta minus 1. Here cos theta plus sin theta is a plus b is 1. Here a minus 1. A plus b into a minus b of the numerator. A plus b into a minus b. What is that? A plus a square minus b square. So cos theta plus sin theta whole square minus 1 square by cos theta into sin theta. What is that? Here it is a plus b whole square formula. A plus b whole square means a square cos square theta plus b square sin square theta plus 2 cos theta into sin theta minus 1 by cos theta into sin theta. So that is equal to here value what is that? 1 cos square theta plus sin square theta. That is the first identity. Cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to value 1 plus 2 cos theta into sin theta minus 1 by cos theta into sin theta. Here minus 1 plus 1 cancel. What is the remaining value? 2 cos theta into sin theta by cos theta into sin theta. Cos theta sin theta cancel is equal to value 2. That value is equal to 2. Theta whole square sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus sin theta minus cos theta whole square. In the first bracket a plus b whole square, second bracket value a minus b whole square. Expand formulas. A plus B whole square means A square plus B square plus 2AB. So sin square theta plus a cos square theta plus 2AB, 2 sin theta into cos theta, plus here A minus B. What is A minus B whole square formula? A square plus B square minus 2AB. So sin square theta plus cos square theta minus 2AB, 2 sin theta into cos theta. Here minus sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta cancel. Remaining value are that sin square theta plus sin square theta, 2 sin square theta. 2 sin square theta plus cos square theta plus cos square theta, 2 cos square theta. That is equal to 2 common. What is that? Sin square theta plus cos square theta. So 2 into 1 is equal to value 2. First Roman third question. Evaluate the following. Secant square theta minus 1 into cosecant square theta minus 1. Here secant, what is the identity? Secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. So secant square theta minus 1 is equal to value what is that? Tan square theta. Secant square theta minus 1 equal to value what is that? Tan square theta. Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. So cosecant square theta minus 1 is equal to value cot square theta. So tan theta into cot theta value 1. Therefore, tan square theta into cot square theta is also 1. Or another model, tan square theta into 1 by tan square theta. Cot square theta can be written 1 by tan square theta. Tan square theta cancel, 1 by 1 equal to value also 1. Next question. Second question, show that cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. So first one, take the LHS. Cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square. Cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square. So cosecant theta can be written 1 by sin theta minus cot theta value what is that? Cos theta by sin theta whole square. That is equal to what is LCM? Sin theta. Sin theta how many times in sin theta? 1 time. 1 once 1 minus sin theta how many times in sin theta? 1 time. 1 into cos theta whole square. So A by B whole power m equal to A power m by B power m. Like that. 1 minus cos theta whole square by sin square theta. Sin square theta. That is equal to 1 minus cos theta whole square by sin square theta. What is the sin square theta value? Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Sin square theta equal to value 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta. That is equal to 1 minus cos theta whole square. Numerator is same. Denominator, observe that here sin square theta value 1 minus cos square theta. So 1 minus cos square theta can be written 1 square means 1 minus cos square theta. That is equal to, here numerator value what is that? A square means A into A. So 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta by A square minus B square means A plus B into A minus B. 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Here A value 1, B value cos theta. A square minus B square means A plus B into A minus B. So 1 minus cos theta cancel. Remaining value what is that? 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. It is the required value. Show that secant theta minus tan theta whole square is equal to 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta. It is also same before type cosine. So we will take secant theta minus tan theta whole square can be written. Secant theta is 1 by cos theta minus tan theta can be written sin theta by cos theta whole square. So what is the LCM here? Cos theta LCM. So just like that, before question, dual practice. Show that root of 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A is equal to secant A plus tan A. So first take the LHS. Root of 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A. Rationalize the denominator. Rationalize the denominator. What is the denominator here? 1 minus sin A. What is the rationalizing denominator? Here 1 minus sin A. What is the rationalizing factor of the denominator? 1 plus sin A. So rationalizing the denominator. Root of 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A by divided by 1 plus sin A. Cancel same value. So rationalize the denominator. Here observe carefully. Root of, what is the numerator? 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A. A into A square like that. 1 plus sin A whole square by, here A minus B into A plus B. A minus B into A plus B means A square minus B square. So like that. That is equal to square root of 1 plus sin A whole square divided by 1 minus sin square A. That is equal to square root of 1 plus sin A whole square by 1 minus sin square A means cos square A. Observe here, square root cancel, numerator, and denominator also square. Observe that square root of 1 plus sin A whole square by cos square A. So numerator square root cancel, denominator also square root cancel. So 1 plus sin A by cos A. So expand that 1 by cos A plus sin A by cos A. 1 by cos A value secant A plus sin A by cos A. What is it? Tan A. Secant A plus tan A. That is the required value. Show that square root of 1 plus cos A by 1 minus cos A equal to cosecant A plus cot A. Rationalize the denominator. So it is also same before type of question. Do and practice it. Show that 1 minus tan square A by cot square A minus 1 is equal to tan square A. 1 minus tan square A by cot square A minus 1 is equal to tan square A. So first one, 1 minus tan square A by cot square A minus 1 is equal to, first numerator 1 minus tan square A by cot square A is written 1 by tan square A minus 1. So what is the first one? Numerator 1 minus tan square A by denominator, what is the LCM? Tan square A. So 1 minus tan square A. So that is equal to 1 minus tan square A into this fraction reciprocal of this tan square A minus 1. Tan square A by 1 minus tan square A. 1 minus tan square A, 1 minus tan square A cancel. Remaining value what is that? Tan square A. So that 1 by cos theta minus cos theta equal to tan theta into sin theta. Cos theta minus cos theta is equal to tan theta into sin theta. First given value what is that? 1 by cos theta minus cos theta. What is the LCM? Cos theta is LCM. Cos theta how many times in cos theta? 1 time. 1 ones 1 minus. Here by denominator value 1 how many times in cos theta? Cos theta times. Cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta. So that is equal to, already we know that first identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to value 1. So 1 minus cos square theta equal to value sin square theta by cos theta. Sin square theta is equal to a square means a into a. So sin theta into sin theta by cos theta. That is equal to sin theta by cos theta into sin theta is equal to sin by cos means tan theta into sin theta. That is the required value, tan theta into sin theta. Next question, simplify 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cot square theta. 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cot square theta. So given value 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cot square theta. Here first two brackets values, observe that a minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b means a square minus b square. So 1 square minus cos square theta into 1 plus cot square theta. So 1 square means 1 minus cos square theta into 1 plus cot square theta. What is the first identity? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to value 1. Already we know that. So sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So 1 minus cos square theta value, what is sin square theta? Into 1 plus cot square theta. That is, what is the identity this type? Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to value 1. Then cosecant square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. So here 1 plus cot square theta value, what is that? Cosecant square theta. That is equal to value. Sin theta into cosecant theta is 1. Already we know that. So sin square theta into cosecant square theta is also value 1. Next question, simplify secant A into 1 minus sin A into secant A plus tan A. So here first given value secant A into 1 minus sin A into secant A plus tan A. So secant A with multiplied with this secant A into 1 secant A minus secant A into sin A and second bracket as usual secant A plus tan A. Here secant A minus secant A means 1 by cos A into sin A into secant A plus tan A. So secant A minus sin A by cos A. Sin by cos and the value are that tan A into secant A plus tan A. What is the rule? Here A minus B into A plus B. A square minus B square. So secant square A minus tan square A. What is the identity? Secant and tan. Secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Like that secant square A minus tan square A equal to value 1. Prove that sin A plus cosecant A whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square is equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. It is the required value. So first we will take the LHS. Sin A plus cosecant A whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square. So here it is in the formula A plus B whole square. It is also A plus B whole square. Expand A plus B whole square. A square plus B square plus 2AB. So sin square A plus cosecant square A plus 2AB, 2 into sin A into cosecant A plus, it is also in the formula A plus B whole square. What is A plus B whole square? A square plus B square plus 2AB, 2 cos A into secant A. 2 cos A into secant A. So here, next step, sin square A, right, plus cos square A, plus cosecant square A, plus secant square A, plus 2 sin A into cosecant A, plus 2 cos A into secant A. So observe carefully here, sin square A plus cos square A. Sin square A plus cos square A equal to value, what is that identity? 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So here this value 1. Plus cosecant, what is the cosecant identity? Cosecant square A minus cot square A equal to 1. So cosecant square A equal to value 1 plus cot square A. So 1 plus, so here cosecant square A place, what is it? 1 plus cot square A plus secant square A. What is the secant identity? Secant square A minus tan square A equal to 1. Secant square A equal to 1 plus tan square A. So what is the secant square A place? 1 plus tan square A. plus 2 into sin A into cosecant A. Already we know that sin reciprocal cosecant, cosecant reciprocal sin. So sin A into cosecant A value 1 plus 2 into cos reciprocal secant, secant reciprocal 1. So cos A into secant A value 1. 1 plus cot square A plus 1 plus tan square A plus 2 ones 2 plus 2 ones 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus cot square A plus tan square A. So it is the required value. Okay, next question. If secant theta plus tan theta is equal to P, then what is the value of secant theta minus tan theta? If secant theta plus tan theta equal to P, then what is the value of secant theta minus tan theta? So given value what is that secant theta plus tan theta is equal to P. We know that what is the identity? Secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. That is already we know that is one of the identity. It is in the form of a square minus b square. What is a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. So secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta is equal to value 1. What is the given value? Secant theta plus tan theta value P. So P into secant theta minus tan theta is equal to value 1. Then secant theta minus tan theta is equal to value what is that? 1 by P. So secant theta plus tan theta value P. Then what is the value of secant theta minus tan theta? 1 by P. Same type of, if cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to value is equal to K, then what is the value of cosecant theta minus cot theta? So use the cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equal to value 1. So similarly the type of, then cosecant theta minus cot theta is equal to value 1 by K. Okay, now if cosecant theta plus cot theta equal to K, then show that cos theta is equal to K square minus 1 by K square plus 1. Cos theta equal to value K square minus 1 by K square plus 1. First one what is the given? Cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to K. And what is the remaining value? Cosecant theta minus cot theta is equal to value 1 by K. So here these are two equations. One time is adding, one time is subtraction. So here adding plus cot theta minus cot theta cancel. Cosecant theta plus cosecant theta 2 cosecant theta. 2 cosecant theta is equal to K plus 1 by K. Then 2 cosecant theta is equal to, here K is LCM. K square plus 1. K square plus 1. Here 2 cosecant theta equal to K square plus 1 by K. And another one, take the two equations. Cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to value K. Then cosecant theta minus cot theta is equal to value 1 by K. Here adding. Here subtraction. Subtraction means second equation symbols are changed. Positive value negative, negative value positive, positive value negative. So minus plus cosecant theta minus cosecant theta cancel. Cot theta plus cot theta 2 cot theta. 2 cot theta is equal to K minus 1 by K. Then 2 cot theta is equal to, what is LCM? K. Then K square minus 1 by K. K square minus 1 by K. It is the first equation, it is the second one. So what is the required value? K square minus 1 by K square plus 1. K square minus 1 is the numerator. So here K square minus 1. Take this value as a numerator. So 2 cot theta by denominator value this. 2 cosecant theta is equal to, this value is K square minus 1 by K by this value denominator what is that? K square plus 1 by K. Here K cancel. 2 cancel. What is the remaining value? cot theta by cosecant theta is equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. K square minus 1 by k square plus 1. What is the cot value? Cot is written cos theta by sin theta by, what is the cosecant value? 1 by sin theta is equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. So, here cos theta by sin theta into sin theta by 1 is equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. Therefore, sin theta cancel. What is the remaining value? Cos theta is equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. It is the required value. It is the required value. Cos theta equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. Next, another one. If secant theta plus tan theta equal to p, then if secant theta plus tan theta equal to p, then show that sin theta equal to p square minus 1 by p square plus 1. So already we know that secant theta plus tan theta equal to value p, secant theta minus tan theta equal to value 1 by p. So these two equations, one time is adding, one time is the subtraction. Already you know that previous question. One time is adding, plus tan theta minus tan theta cancel. 2 secant theta is equal to value p plus 1 by p. Then here subtraction means symbols are changed of second equation. Positive value, negative value, positive value, negative. Plus secant theta minus tan theta, secant theta cancel. Tan theta plus tan theta, 2 tan theta is equal to value p minus 1 by p. Then simplify it before type of question.